I'm Susan Palmer of Lead Cat Press. This is my weekly studio update, and this is going to be my last weekly studio update, at least for a while. I've really enjoyed making these over the past, 5 months or so. Got a bunch of them up. And I think the most popular one was the Barry Harris. So with the free PDF. I did a few of these with a PDF available on my website, and those were fun to make. I am a music teacher nerd in that I love my worksheets. So I was happy to be able to offer those to some of you. And yeah, I just appreciate you helping me experiment with this format. I've really missed teaching group classes, and so I was hoping that, this would give me a little more connection with folks, and it has done that. I really appreciate hearing from you folks. And yeah, it's been neat to have my students watch these and then bring up stuff that I talked about. So that's been all really good. I just want to focus on something else. I'm always moving forward and trying new things and seeing what works. And I thought these were a lot of fun to put together. And yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to put them aside and maybe try some other things. So if you like these videos, I do have a ton of other videos on my YouTube page there. In fact, I think there's 90 lesson videos that correspond to both volumes of my Guitar Lesson Companion method book series. So, and I have them all organized in their individual lesson libraries, but also on my website, I wrote out a 5-year weekly lesson guide for everything too. When I was teaching at Seattle University, I had a syllabus that I made for my students that covered about 5 years of material. So obviously it was a 4-year program, but it just took 5 years to get it all out. So some people would go through that faster than others, but that was kind of the program that I had everybody go through. And yeah, some people, if you're a very beginner, it would take about 5 years to teach everything that is in those books. Of course, everybody works at their own pace and all that, but I'm a nerd in that I like to just spell that stuff out, organize it, break stuff down, have tons of examples, you know the deal. So at this time, I just want to thank you, and I'm going to kind of scroll my videos that I've done here over the past 5 months, I guess. Gosh, that's just so wild. And you can hit on the ones that you're interested in. Hopefully there's something here that you haven't checked out so far. And yeah, please do check out my other videos. Feel free to drop a line if you have an idea of something that you'd like me to cover. I know all of us creators are always asking for that. So I do view it as my job to kind of take the temperature of what's going on and try to come up with something that I think is useful and maybe something that someone else is not already doing well. But I'm always open for suggestions and love to hear your feedback. So thanks so much for your comments and sharing these videos and watching them and all that stuff. I hope everybody here stays healthy and good. And yeah, I'm sure I'll have something coming down the pipe soon. So take care and thanks again.